Hey guys, it's me, Chanela, and
Gucci.
Gucci. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing equal at Gucci. So I bought this online, as you can see, So let's get opening. Gucci. Now let's see what's inside this one first. Let's look.
Chippy.
Ooh.
Let
me just read this one. So this one is the just the
No.
rules and
No.
things that you need to know.
No. Oh, do you want to get this one? Okay. This is yours, Neil.
Yeah.
Chippy.
These and this.
No powerful.
Return or exchange anything. Here's the policy, and then let's put this back inside.
Oh no.
And this is the envelope. And guess what is inside here? So you told him to push 9. I said, Gucci. Hey, Gucci, what's this? Oh wait, that's not a phone. What's this?
Poo poo.
Oh no, oh no. Oh no, okay, maybe let's not ask. But let's put this back inside. So these are the things that we bought. I can't really see it since I'm covering this. So now we open this one first. So we bought it online since in store they didn't have any stock. But online they did, fortunately. And you can see that the ribbon is red, which is pretty cool. Since usually like it's green, but it's okay. It's kind of like Christmas themed. Bye bye.
I'm going to open it.
Woohoo.
Hello?
Can you guess what this is?
Dora.
What is this? Oh no! We bought a Gucci shirt. I think this is women's or men's. So this is the men's size, which is extra XS. And on the back, yeah, it doesn't have any flowers since it's men's, but on the women's it does. And you can see over here. Can you?
My gosh. There's a flower on the back, and this is the woman's.
So this is the men's. Here, size wash t-shirt with Gucci logo. Yeah. So this one, it says that has
snip.
Yeah, it's a t-shirt style made in washed cotton jersey with small holes in the fabric for vintage
This is the
effect.
packaging
So,
about Caillou.
yeah, don't be surprised.
Caillou
there's
is a
holes.
fidget.
Hermes La, can you find the holes?
Okay, sure. Found it.
There's more.
Oh,
Okay, I'll just point them out. There's one here, one here, one here. Like, I can't see with these glasses. I'm gonna take them off. There's also one over here.
this is the
Do you see
fidget
this?
packing.
There's one here. I can't see. There's also a hole over here, in the bottom, the back. There's also these two, and it's done. I can't see anymore, but probably that's done.
Here the hole.
I think we already saw this, but also here.
I can see a hole. I can see. This is the last one. Now I'm going to open it.
Let's just put it over here first, and then we'll open it. Oh, good choice left. You can pull these two. Wow. Then we'll take off this.
Okay.
And then bye-bye, ribbon. Ooh, it's a white one. This is the woman's size XXS, which is, I don't know. But yeah, So here's the flower to prove that's women's. And then there's a few rips, which is easier to see over here. You can see.
What the?
And like, yep. Is there any in the back? No. None on the back. And there's a few bigger holes over here. I wonder if there's any on the bottom, like the men's one. Unless, oh, there is. So these holes are like, if you've got, they're like for a vintage look. Yeah. You can kind of see it. Don't accidentally rip it though. It will look really weird.
Wait, now that?
Yeah. Oh,
There's
the men's
too
one
much-
is extra S. So yeah, and the flower is really pretty. There's blue, purple.
There's too
Yeah,
much.
yeah. It's okay. It's for a vintage look, and he didn't do it. Here's a closer look of the flower.
It's
Really
so
pretty.
right?
Yeah, without your hand. Or if you don't know what the size is, you can look from the inside of the shirt, which is not on the like back. It should show this XXS or like the size that you bought. So yeah, it also is the same for the black one. So we can look inside of the shirt. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh. So this is an XS extra S. And then yeah, it should be next to this thing.
The woman is 750.
This also has the same like the men's one. It says made in washed cotton jersey with small tears in the fabric for a worn effect. And yep. For her massage, she's wearing kid size, so there's no tears. And yeah, you can see nowhere. So like if there's tears here, it's probably the ones that her massage made. Also here, there's nothing. Wait, how let me show this. Yeah, there's no tears or anything. The size that Hermes is wearing is size 10, so if you want to get it, get it. It's also the same for kids ones, so the size is like inside the shirt too. Instances 10, 10. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you have anything to say down below, please comment. And if you like our content in general, please subscribe, because it would be really appreciated. And you can follow our socials, all of them down below, just Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And also, in our next video, we'll be posting shortly, it will be of us comparing the male and female, white and black. So yeah, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I'm doing